Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well. Today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I'll be using Revolution's In Real Life Skin Filter collection today, and as you can see, it really does just that. Like, this beat is so gorgeous. All the products are affordable. I'll make sure to leave them down in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay, all the other products I'll be using in this video are from Makeup Revolution as well. I hope you like my hair, guys, too. I love me a pixie cut. I just feel like it's my bag, you know. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this gorgeous look using drugstore products only, make sure you keep on watching. So I've already done my brows and my lashes off camera, so we're gonna go ahead with priming. I have got the Revolution In Real Life Skin Filter Primer. This is a pore blurring primer, so I'm just gonna put some on my cheeks and on my forehead and on my chin, and I'm just gonna rub that in. So now that we have primed our face, we're gonna go ahead with foundation. I'm gonna be using the Revolution In Real Life Filter Foundation, of course. This is a long wear foundation and this is in the shade F15. So I'm just gonna apply a pump on my cheek and on the other side as well. And if we need to build up, we'll do that along the way. So using my Real Techniques Expert face brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. And I like to start from the bottom and work my way up. I haven't even done my cheeks yet, but look at this side, guys. This is crazy. So I'm gonna add one more pump to this side and just blend that out. I think I'm gonna add some more, actually. One more. So this is the foundation all blended out, and as you can see, it's really giving In Real Life filter. This is so clean because it is full coverage. I would say take your time with this foundation and build up. Just don't put too much on your face at once, because I can see if I really put like 6 pumps at once, it would have looked really cakey. But this is just nice. I feel like this is such a nice finish. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and conceal, and I'll be using the In Real Life Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer. This is in C13.5. It is a neutral shade. I was kind of going for a neutral sort of look today because my foundations are usually a neutral undertone, so I wanted to do like a soft clean sort of look, so I thought I might as well try a neutral concealer. So I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes, above my lip, and on my nose. And using this simple fluffy brush I got from Amazon, I'm just gonna blend this out, and I'm gonna start from above my lip and work my way up. So this is the concealer all blended out, and yeah, this is amazing. I bloody love this shade. It is so pretty. Like, I feel like this is bright enough for me. I don't really like a bright under eye too much, but this is so clean. I love this. I don't actually think I'm gonna add more concealer. I feel like this is cute. This is cute enough, yeah. Look at me trying to convince myself not to add more concealer. I'm gonna quickly set this using the Benai Camel Luxury Powder, my absolute babe. I'm gonna pour some in the lid. And using the same fluffy brush, I'm just gonna dip some in, tap off the excess, and just apply this directly where we put concealer. And I just tap lightly on top. I do the same for the other side. Then I'm gonna do it above my lip. And a bit more above my lip. I'm gonna do my nose and a bit on my forehead. And don't forget these inner corner parts of your nose, please. We don't want no funny business going on over there. And a bit on my chin as well, and the sides of my lips very lightly. Even though we didn't add no concealer there, we just want everywhere to be set, that we're not really gonna touch again, because the rest of the face here we're gonna be adding concealer, blush, bronzer, so it's like here doesn't really get touched too tough. I feel like this is a clean bake. I'm not really trying to go for anything too drastic, so I'm so tempted to leave some here. Should I leave it? Let me add a little bit, just a little bit. I'm gonna leave that there just to bake a little bit, and then above my lip. So now we're gonna contour, and I'll be using my Revolution foundation stick in F18, my absolute baby. I need to get a new one, but I'm just gonna apply this just above that line here, on my cheeks and on my nose, a bit on my forehead, and yeah, that's it. So using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush, I'm just gonna blend this out. And as you can see, as I blend my contour, I curve it in my face like that. Just because I follow my natural cheekbone structure, because it goes up like that, I might as well just follow it. And look at that, it looks natural. I like my makeup to mimic my actual face structure and just to, you know, exaggerate it. That's what it's all about. I'm so happy the sun is coming back, because I was thinking, hell no, we filming in that light. But we're gonna quickly add some bronzer. Right before filming this, my Revolution bronzer really just smashed and cracked, and yeah, I was pissed off. But we're gonna go ahead with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Mocha Mummy, and I'm gonna use the same brush and just apply this on my cheek area here, just a bit higher to where we added contour. See that? Wow. I love it here. So I'm gonna add a bit to my forehead just to set that contour. A bit to my nose contour and the bottom too. So I'm gonna quickly dust off the powder under my eyes, and I'll be using the Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just gonna gently swipe away all of that. So using my Revolution eyeliner in the shade Black, I'm just gonna quickly line my waterline. So now we finish off with that, we're gonna end it with our lips, and I'm gonna get my Revolution eyeliner in Black again, and I'm just gonna line my lips. Once I started using a black lip liner, I've never gone back. It is so gorgeous. I just feel like brown is not as loud for me. I just love something dramatic but simple. So I'm just gonna add some lip gloss in the middle, and this is just some ordinary lip gloss from the hair shop. And just to end it off, I've got the Revolution Cherry Truffle setting spray. This is the finished look, guys. I absolutely love all the products from the Revolution in Real Life Filter collection. This is so gorgeous. Like literally all the products are from a Revolution except from the setting powder and the bronzer. I'm gonna make sure to link everything down below in the description box, so make sure you go and check that out, okay? Oh, I'm absolutely in love with this look. I'm definitely about to go and take some pictures, some selfies, because this is it, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do try it out, let me know how it goes for you, and yeah, more life.